Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a video to email on Klaviyo websites. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type klaviyo.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page. And as you can see from that page, you can actually click at login if you have an account. Once you click here, as you can see, this will take you to the login page. So all you need to do, just go and enter your email, password, check if this I'm not a robot, then log in into your account. Of course, you can even log in with the SSO. If you don't have a Klaviyo account, you can click at let's get started so you can actually create your account. Just fill all the information needed here to create your account. And of course, click at Get Started to create your account. Once you're logged in or you created your account, you'll find yourself on this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on Klaviyo websites. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, is we are going to add a video on the email. And if of course, if you want to do that, we can simply click on Add Campaigns, which will take us to this page. Click at create campaign at the top left corner or right corner, sorry, then click on email, then click at create campaign. That should take us here. So just enter the name, whatever you want, select the tag of the people that you want to be tagged or something. Of course, you will have to choose the recipient. So let's just choose some random stuff here and simply click at continue to content at the bottom right corner. Here, as you can see, if you want to add a video, make sure to do not choose this text only or this HTML. Make sure to choose this drag and drop so you can actually drag and drop your video after you choose your theme. So let's just choose this as an example. And as you can see, you can use this template. Of course, just for you, just look carefully for what you want. And here you can add your video simply but by going through those options on the left. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.